Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Camtasia video editing software tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you on how to add border to your clips or to your video in Camtasia video editing software. Let me show you how. So the very first thing you want to do is to make sure you make the clip active, just like what you see right here. This particular clip right here, I want to add a border around this particular video that you can see on the preview right here. How do we do that? Next thing we want to do is to make sure we navigate to our effects tabs, and on your keyboard to get access to effects tab, just press letter X on your keyboard to take you direct to your visual effects tabs. So next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and then select border. Go ahead and drag it on the clip right here. So once you drag it on the clip, the border is going to be slightly reflected on the video. So if I move to the next page, and if you can see the border is not much visible, how do we make it more visible? That is when we can now come here and edit. So we can increase the thickness of the border right here. The more you adjust, the more the border is going to appear around the video. So just like what you see right there, we have the white border around the video. We can also make it more bigger until we are fully satisfied based on the adjusted size right here. Okay, so you can go on and on and increase the size. You can also change color from here, so you can pick color from the video templates. Let's, for instance, I want to choose a color from here. I can easily select the color from here, so which simply means that this color here is going to be the color pick right here is going to be embedded with the background, or better still, we can easily go back and choose entire different color from different options or available color right here. So just like so, we can also go ahead and enter our custom color code right here. If you have a custom color code, you can easily copy and paste your custom color code right here. So you can go on and edit it as much as possible until you are fully satisfied with the result. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Camtasia video editing software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.